Welcome to the podcast, AI Solving Real Business Problems. You may have searched intentionally or just stumbled upon this podcast, but either way, you're probably interested in AI and data driven transformation. We are creating this space to talk about the power and realities of technologies like AI, machine learning, smart analytics, IoT, digital twin, big data, and many more. Our discussions and interviews will be focused on the applications of these technologies in businesses today and in the future. Hi everyone, thank you for being here. My name is Manju Devdas. I'm not only your host, but also founder and CEO of Pluto 7, a global award-winning company working with Google and hundreds of customers and businesses in applying AI and machine learning to solving real business problems for today and for the future. Change is constant. It should not be a scary word. Through this podcast series, we want to show you how to solve your business problems leveraging AI and smart analytics in a simplistic way. We will provide real-world examples from hundreds of businesses, enterprises, and universities implementing these technologies to drive innovation and intelligence in supply chain and higher education. Also, you'll hear stories from industry experts, Google leaders, and our customers, some of whom have won Innovation Award from Gartner. If you're interested in AI and learning how to use it to solve your business problem, then you're at the right place. In this section, we would like to cover the following three questions. 1. How can business leaders adapt to new technology faster? 2. How to transform technology into your business's backbone? 3. How can you enable effective change management process across your teams? I think of myself as a predictive analytics business architect because at the end of the day, I solve problems. Being in the heart of Silicon Valley, Bay Area, California, over the last 2 decades, I've been working with global businesses to solve customer experience and supply chain management problems. Over the past 4 years, partnering with Google Cloud, I've had the opportunity to talk to over 400 plus customers all over the world. I started Pluto 7 as a way to guide businesses through their own AI journey. Every journey begins with solving one problem with advanced technology to see significant improvement in their process and KPIs. And then we repeat this process until the company is data-driven and functioning with technologies like ML, AI, IoT, drones, cloud, and many more at its core. One question that I am asked a lot is why Pluto 7? I chose the number 7 in the name because it's a reminder to my team to keep it simple. If I read out a list of 20 names, the average person will only remember 7. In psychology and cognitive science, 7 is the capacity of short-term memory. The biggest challenges businesses face with implementing predictive analytics is getting their employees to trust in those analytics and pay attention to drive actions. Not only do businesses want to predict the future, they also want to see what's inside the black box. Everything we do at Pluto 7 involves and revolves around helping customers gain value from technology and keep it simple. The technology itself might be highly complex. However, it needs to solve a specific business problem and must be believable and understandable. We use smartphone every day, and yet many of us have no idea how it works internally, handling internet protocol at a very detailed level, and we don't need to know it all. We see the value, and our lives are greatly improved with the convenience and efficiencies that the smartphones gives us. Not only that, we trust it. An AI model works very similarly. We strive to translate AI jargon into simple business process applications and use cases. Back in 2016, Pluto 7 became a Google Cloud partner. I soon realized that Google Predictive Analytics Engineering was 5 years ahead of the market. I decided to partner exclusively with Google Cloud to build a depth in our knowledge and experience, while being aware that our customers have hybrid cloud for the most part. Google has and knows predictive analytics technology that is scalable, adaptable, agile, and cost effective, which they use in many of their apps like Google search engine to Photos to YouTube and many more. Our long partnership with Google has allowed us to become an expert in Google Cloud with premier partner status and various specialization. Fast forward to 2019, Pluto 7 won the Global Partner of the Year award for data and analytics specialization. Right now, scenarios are changing constantly, and the number of decisions that the leaders are taking and having to make is also increasing. The cloud transformation that was projected to be out years is happening now. We will feature success stories across retail, manufacturing, healthcare, high-tech, and education industries. Also, we'll explain how to bring in more innovation, improve your skills, drive change, and implement technology, modernize and digitize your business. In the next podcast, we will be talking about the basics of AI, decode some common myths, and share some of the key things that everyone should know about ML and AI. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.